Hello guys, welcome to another piano lesson. And so today guys, I'm going to be teaching you another 1 4 5 4. All right, chord progression. I told you an example of the song that you can use is yeah, my God is good. Oh, so with this chord progression, you can just play a lot. I'm going to make about 7 of this series. So this is our volume 3. All right, so I'm going to show us both the left and the right hand and remember we are playing the key of C sharp. All right, do re mi fa sol la ti do. All right, so I'm going to start with the right hand. All right, guys, remember this is our C sharp. All right, C sharp measure. Right, C sharp measure, and this is the inversion, first inversion and the second inversion. All right, and I'm going to be using the second inversion. All right, so this is our so it's at 5 5 5 1 5 1 3 5 1 5 1 3 2 5 1 3 5 1 3 2 2 4 4 4 6. I take it again. 5 5 1 5 1 3 2 4 6. That's it. All right, so when you are done with that one, all right, so when you are done, you go to 5 again. 5 4 4 4 4. Then you go to 5 5 5 5. All right, so this is like a C. This is like a F G sharp measure inversion, because this is G sharp. All right, this is G sharp. Then the inversion is just to play this one up here. This is 1 2 3 4 5. I play the 5 up here. All right, so it's 5 5. This 7 2 1 1 6. So it's 5 3 is 7 7 2 7 2 1 3 7 7 2 7 1 6. All right guys, so that's all about the right hand. All right, so when you do that now, the left is what I love most. So let me increase the volume a bit so that you get it's at 100. All right, this too. So this is T1 here. All right, this is 1. This is C sharp major inversion. So this is what I'm actually playing. So it's 1. This is 5, 1 and 3. All right. So it's 5 1 3 5 5 1 5 5 1 3. So notice with this bass, I'm going to use so I'm nearly using all my fingers. All right, so it's 5 1 5 1 3 5 1 3. All right, let me try to teach it in a very simple way. 5 1 3 4 4 4 4. All right, this and a broken chord 4 4. All right, 5 1 5 1 3 5 1 3 4 4. Then go to 5 5 5 4 4. All right. 6 1 6 1 1 1 6 1 1 1 6 1 1 1. So that's basically what I was playing. Let me take it 1 5 1 3 5 1 3 4 4 5 5 4 4 5 1 3. You can just continue like 1 3 4 4 4 5 5 5 4 4 1 3 4 4 5 5 4 4. Oh, then you add this one. All right, guys. So that's basically it, guys. And when you combine the two and this, and when you combine the two, this is what you have. Alright guys, please do wait to subscribe to my channel and please be ready to welcome the next volume. God bless you.